You know, we know that seniors, baby boomers, of which I am part, proud to say, have substantial home equity, nationwide. The total is huge, trillions. And I have to look that up, what that exact dollar amount is. But what it amounts to is that we also know, according to a recent report in an article, is that about a third of those who receive Social Security have reported cutting back on essentials. We're not talking about not going out to eat as often or not going to the movies. We're talking about cutting back on the amount of groceries they buy, cutting back on the electricity or gas bills because they're not running the air or the heat as much as they necessarily would like to or maybe even should. And that doesn't really have to be a lifestyle. We only have one time physically here on this earth, right? So we should enjoy our lifestyles for the time that we have on this earth. And one way to do that, if there is not enough cash flow, is to look at doing a reverse mortgage if you've got the home equity to do that with. Whether or not you want to refinance your existing home loan or you want to sell your existing home and buy a different home and use only some of the proceeds for the purchase, bank the rest, and finance the other part of that purchase through a reverse mortgage where you don't necessarily have to make a monthly payment. You can, but you don't have to. You're only responsible for maintaining the property, paying the property taxes, homeowners insurance, and if you got it, HOA. So if you're not as comfortable as you would like to be in retirement or as you're looking toward it, please reach out. Let's talk about some numbers and see what can be done for you, and then weigh that along with your other retirement plans. Speak to your financial advisor. Many are recognizing the value of reverse mortgages. Please reach out. Marvin, Hudson, Viewpoint Financial, 909-435-9780, viewpointfinancial.com. Okay, thank you. Bye.